Isang name lang muna sir, mag-register po.
Ito naman. $375. $375.
Ito isa? Ito isa?
Oh. Kuya, magkano isa?
Ano pa?
Magkano isa?
Bali, yung local ID po. Yung local ID.
Hindi, wala.
Ay, foreign rate. Kasi pag local kasi nasa 600. Kasama yung terminal fee, environmental fee, yung boat.
Tignan mo, sabi mo, ito pala last name.
Ayun ko lang, balik namin ulit. Dito yung... Yeah.
So, magkano, kuya?
Bali 800 yung isa sir. Anong hotel ba kayo?
800? That's a lot.
Kasi pag local po, may Philippine ID, 600. Kasama na yung terminal fee, environmental fee, yung boat, yung shuttle sa Boracay to hotel na. Hotel name na dito.
Ha?
Hotel name. Kasi para i-atid yan.
Included na yung
Yes.
shuttle to
Yes.
hotel?
Yes. It's all included and lalagyan ko ng sticker like
Kala ko ba 3 ano na?
Hindi, included na yung shuttle to the hotel.
Dadaling tayo doon.
Yeah. It's 800 for
Azure Beach or
non-local.
Asur,
No, that's not the.
Sur lang siguro.
No.
Sur lang siguro.
ha?
Station 1?
No, no, no.
Station 1.
Maybe Sur. Sur Beach.
It was that. What hotel? That's all I know.
Eto, kuya. Station 1 yata.
Upper Ways.
Alam mo,
Opo.
Hindi, kulang pala.
it's 800.
That's
That's ano na yun? Todo na yun.
Hanggang hotel na po yun. Hanggang Upper Ways.
Pagbalik, magkano?
Same din. Times 2.
So is the fee here for a non-Filipino citizen? You gotta have a local ID,
Sabi ko, bigyan tayo ng discount kasi
and it's 800 pesos. Isa lang ba to? Isa lang bang...
Yung sa loob, individual. Pero same price.
Hold on. Don't think.
Oh, mabuhay.
Kuya, isa lang ba presyo? Have you, lahat ba the same price o pang ano ng bangka?
Doon kasi sir, ano yung package ko yun hanggang hotel ko. Mula dito hanggang hotel ko.
Okay.
Yung dito kayo sir, 350.
Okay, sa
Environmental fee, 150. Terminal fee, 150. 50 pesos po yung sa bangka. So, 350 po.
so sa opinion niyo po, kung makakasave, ditong way o dito?
Dito sir, DIY.
Okay.
Magkano sinusin niyo po?
800.
Oh?
800.
Foreign siguro sir.
Oh yeah.
Pag foreign talaga sir, medyo pag foreign dito, 500 siguro. 600 yung foreign dito.
Pero still, nakakasave din.
So, makasave ko dito. Kunti man lang yung diferensya.
Okay. I'm gonna go here.
Hanggang hotel po yung sa kanila.
Hanggang hotel. Pero sa...
Pero pag dito kayo, hanggang kabilang port, sakay na lang kayo ng multi-cab.
Pero hindi naman mahal yung cap, di ba? Yung
50 ang bawat isa siguro.
150. Oh. Okay.
Dalawa lang kayo, sir.
Tatlo. Salamat, Kuya. I'll get the second opinion nila. Pero salamat for clarifying.
Mabuhay.
Here is individual fee. 350 for the boat, and then after the boat,
Foreign na, 500 no dito. 500
oh,
sir.
it's 500.
Foreign. 500 na pag sa kabila,
Right.
kaya lang kayo ng ano. Multi-cup.
Okay, we'll try this one, Kuya. Salamat.
Okay.
No, maybe you could save. Mama, register ka. So if you want to do it individually, if you're a foreigner, they consider me a foreigner, believe it or not. I think it's 500 for everything, for the boat fee, the environmental fee, and once we land, it'll be 50 pesos each person once we land. So you're looking into maybe saving 200 pesos. So I'm gonna try it this way first, individual fee, and I'll give you guys the feedback once I pass through. So you register over here. It says that registration and verification counter. And then after, they give you one of these slips. Hello. Hi. For 3?
Ma'am, sa akin, sila.
Tatlo na yon? Oh, wow.
Okay na? Sorry lang.
Ate, lahat ha? Boat fee, everything.
Okay na? Salamat.
So where do I pay for the boat fee? So this, tapos boat fee yun na, kompleto na. Oh, okay. So bali tatlo. Thank you po.
This was 50.
Boat fare. Salamat. Terminal fee? Oh. Hold this. This is for 3 people, di ba? Balangan, mama.
Bakit ito dalawa na?
Tatlo ba to? Ate, I need 3. Ano, how much the difference ba? Pang tatlo. Salamat. Hold on. Hi, ate. Tatlo po. Tatlo. Ano ang difference? Yeah, regular. Regular, yeah. Yeah, 3. You have 100?
Yeah.
This is 350. Magkano? 450. 450. 1, 2, 3. 150. 50? I'll pay for it. Don't worry
No, the
about
one in the middle.
Wala na ako pera.
it. 150 as well.
May environmental ano kayo?
Pakita mo nga. Can you check ate, please?
Ayan, okay na yan, sir.
So, kompleto na kami.
Doon na, sir. Exit na po. Sa Boracay na, sir.
Basta kung ibalik mo naman siya.
Hawakan mo. Ikaw na lang maghawak.
Here, and you're gonna have
Just hold it a little. Hold it. So you need 3 pieces, environmental fee, boat fee, and terminal fee. Ay ate, kompleto na ba to? Salamat. Thank you po. Salamat. Good afternoon. Hello. Thank you po. Thank you po. Hello po.
Sir, fill out niyo lang muna, sir.
Alin? Okay.
Tapos ibigay sa buwan na nakagduan.
Okay, salamat. Pakifill up na. Dito, dito.